bounce that shit like.
Look at that black, yo. Queen.
Hey babe. Hey babe. So I want to give y'all a little something different this time. Welcome back to our channel. Make sure you guys SUZIE. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all follow. Like more videos like this. Also leave a comment down in the comment section. Leave me a comment down below on something y'all want me to do next. I'm excited about my project right now. So y'all, this is a last minute project.
But y'all, let's get started. So if you haven't already, go check out the purse. I made a matching bag to match this. I'm going to drop some pictures in there. But you're going to go ahead and take your ruler and measure to the desired length that you want your skirt to be. So I cut mine here, and of course you want to make sure you leave yourself some seam allowance. And then on this seam right here, we're going to go ahead and just cut along the seam. And that little part right there was a little thicker, so I end up using my seam ripper and then using my scissors again to cut it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and take our seam stripper and we just gonna go up the seam of the skirt just about before you get to the zipper. You don't want to go all the way up, because then you're gonna have to be doing some extra work, and all that ain't called for. And then of course you're gonna go ahead and do the back, but the only difference on the back is when you do it, it's just a little curve, and you want to go up until that curve is gone. So basically just a little bit like at the bottom of the pockets type of abs. So you see where I got mine here, and it's just straight. So now you want to just go in and cut out all the little thick seam parts like so, literally on front and back. So after that is done, this is what it should look like, and we're going to go ahead and flip that inside out like so. And y'all want to make sure y'all line it up almost to perfection so you can get that clean look for your skirt. So I'm going to go ahead and take my ruler and just go from where the seam is and make a straight line down on both ends. And then on the back, you don't want to do too much, so just keep it. You see what I'm doing? Like, you don't want to do too much. You don't want to, take too much off, and then you don't have enough room to get in the skirt. So be careful on that part. So now we're going to just literally go ahead and sew both of those areas. And y'all, I almost used that green thread. I would have been so blue. But let me go ahead and thread this needle and rethread the bobbin as well. Y'all, I'm thinking about giving y'all videos like that. Let me know if y'all want some of those type of videos, like on how to thread the sewing machine, how to thread the bobbin, and all that stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and sew down both sides. And then of course, once you do both sides, you're going to flip it back to the right side, check everything out, remove any excess fabric, and of course hem up the bottom of the skirt. Y'all, this was a quick, simple, and easy video. Mini skirts are really in right now. Like, the girlies definitely loving them. But y'all, let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all got any questions. Let me know if y'all need any help on anything. Comment down below. Don't be afraid. Let's get to 6K. Help a sister out. Go ahead and subscribe, follow, and like for more videos like this. And y'all, this is what it's looking like. I love you guys oh so much, and I thank y'all for everything, and I'm out. Bye.